Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Hyatt Place New York City, Chelsea. It's a great 4-star option, right in the heart of Manhattan, and I'm going to give you the full, honest tour. Let's head inside. Before we head up to the room, let's take a quick walk around the lobby. Right over here, there's a really convenient self-service coffee station, where you can make and purchase coffee just the way you like it. And next to it, there's a small 24/7 stall stocked with snacks and drinks, perfect for those late-night cravings or a quick pick-me-up. Now, about the room, I had a bit of an interesting check-in experience. My original king room wasn't quite ready, but the staff kindly offered me a double room on a much higher floor, so I could settle in right away. I went up to take a look, and I'll show you that room first. The view was absolutely incredible. But there was one issue: it didn't have a desk. Since I needed a proper workspace, I decided to stick with my original king room booking. So, after a short wait, I moved into the king room I'd reserved. It was on a lower floor, so the view wasn't as stunning, but it had everything I needed, especially that desk. Let's head up and I'll show you both rooms. Alright, let's start with the first room I was shown. The double room way up on the 29th floor. Right when you walk in, you'll notice two really comfy looking double beds. They're nicely made with crisp white linens and plenty of pillows. Definitely inviting after a long day exploring the city. Across from the beds, there's a good-sized wall-mounted TV. A nice feature here is that it has Chromecast built in, so you can easily stream your favourite shows right from your phone. The bathroom is compact but totally functional. It's got a walk-in shower with good pressure, and they supply Kennet MD brand shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. There's a small coffee area set up with a coffee machine and some English breakfast tea. One thing to note: there's no kettle, so if you want hot water for tea, you'll need to run the coffee machine without a pod. For storage, there's a single wardrobe. It's a bit on the small side, but fine for a shorter stay. Underneath the coffee area, you'll find a safe and a mini fridge, which is always handy for keeping drinks or snacks cool. Now, the real highlight of this room: the view. Through the large window, you get an awesome view of New York City's tall buildings stretching up toward the sky. You really feel up in the heart of the city here. Now, let me show you the king room I stayed in on the 8th floor. The room itself has the same modern decor and feel as the first one. Same quality bedding, same clean aesthetic. But this one is slightly bigger, and the layout is a bit different because they've included the desk. The desk makes a big difference if you need to work. It's a dedicated space with a comfortable chair, and it doesn't feel cramped at all. Everything else is similar. Same Chromecast-enabled TV, same Kennet MD bathroom products, and the same coffee setup. The view from this floor is different, but still really nice. You're lower down, but you're still looking out at classic New York architecture. Brick buildings and fire escapes. It's not that high up soaring view, but it feels authentic and still pretty special. Now, let's talk about a major highlight, the breakfast. It's a buffet, and the selection is impressive. You've got all the American classics: scrambled eggs, oatmeal, pastries, yogurt, and even fun stuff like Fruit Loops and peanut butter and jelly sachets. For later in the day, the hotel has a really popular spot called the Terrace bar. It's a great looking space and seemed like a perfect place to grab an evening drink. And for those of you who like to stay on routine, you have to see this gym. It's surprisingly large for a city hotel and is packed with a great variety of cardio machines and free weights. Really one of the better hotel gyms I've seen. So, final verdict on the Hyatt Place Chelsea. Overall, it's a fantastic value for a 4-star hotel in this location. Have you stayed here? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you have any questions, just ask. Thanks for watching.